See that, boys? My ECU is inside that mail truck right there. Where's that mailman, Ellie? Where's my ECU? See it? Hello, do you need a signature? Okay. You stay. We got us an ECU, boys! Oh, you're just excited as I open it up! Open it up! Come on, open it! Help me install it. Oh my god. How long have I been waiting for that? There you go. Hurry up, I'm impatient. Oh boy. Oh boy, Ellie. Let's open this thing up. Oh, you're home. You are home! What they found is that there was a capacitor on the main board that was installed backwards, and it took an entire year of driving for the failure to occur, but once it did, it was kind of just game over. So now it's fixed, it's as good as new, it's been tested, and it's ready to go into the Miata. So let's go install it. All I gotta do here is configure the jumpers again. Trying to figure out how to configure the injector jumper. This is literally just tacos and dogs. Oh, there we go. That was smart. I took a picture of how these go in. But those are the only modifications I have on my whole MS Pro plug and play. Is a variable throttle position sensor, tack out because I have the LS coils, and sequential injection because the 1.6 MS is designed for, what's it called? Staged? No. Batch fire injection. Oh boy, how long do you think it's gonna take to start? You think it's gonna start? I took a lot of stuff apart. I wouldn't put it past me to not remember to put something back together. This is a real-time startup. It's probably gonna take about 3 minutes of cranking. Ooh, battery is like almost dead. I might need to get my jumper. I need to hook up the jumper. Be right back. Well, it kind of started. Sounds like it's running on 3 cylinders. Dude, another fuel leak. And don't E85 me in the comments telling me that E85 is gonna eat a hole in my stock gas tank, because first of all, it won't. Second of all, it's been on 91 the whole time. The fuel filter has like all new clamps and hoses on it. So sometimes when you do new clamps and hoses on your fuel system, after a few drives, you gotta tighten the clamps up again or else they start leaking. Hopefully that's it. Well, we made it to the gas station. Everything seems good. The clutch definitely means business. I don't think this thing is gonna be slipping, which is awesome. So now ACT recommends 300 to 500 miles of break-in. I think half a tank and it's gonna be fine, and then I'll start feeding some E85 in it and we'll see how it does. driving it, boys. We are driving it. It's real this time. Well, it is pitch black, so there's really not too much I can show you guys as far as driving, but I at least wanted to take you on our first little run. Everything appears to be going fine. I actually had to bed the brake pads as well as break the clutch in at the same time, so I'm gonna continue breaking the clutch in. I got a half a tank of 91 octane left. I'm gonna get that as low as I can, fill it up with the 85, and hope for the best. Wish me luck. I'll see you in the next one.